Alright, I'm going to mark this chart up with price action TA using the 4 candles and 6 levels. So I'm going to start on the yearly time frame. Each candle is 1 year. Just simply going to use the box tool and bring it out to encompass the current year. My yearly color is coded black. Then I'm going to go down in a time frame to see the month and the year. Kind of gives me a better view of how the year progressed, what it's using as support. This distribution candle as support. So I want to see what was in here or in between there. And fair value gap is what some people call them. Just kind of getting the feel. So if that one held it up, then logically if it ladders, this front side level will ladder and support the move up. We would love to see a distribution candle come down for a good structure and support that price. So I do a backside level, the monthly color, the support line. Let's do that current interval and below. And let's see, I can mark this one as well, which is a swing high. We use the monthly color in the resistance line, but it looks like it was tested, so I use the dotted current time frame and below. That way I can go up and down and my charts are clean. So now we go down on the weekly view and we see here's the weekly support. That's a front side. We can mark that as a front side level. The weekly color for me is gray. Style support line, even though it's being tested right now. Current interval and below. So what I'm going to do is go down into this weekly candle and see where a greedier range is before price reaches this one. Also, it looks like there's an inverted backside level here. It's been tested probably twice on a lower time frame. So I'll just mark it gray for now. 2 is the line width showing that it's been tested twice. And tested is the dotted line. So that's how I organize and keep things on the chart. So when I see a gray double dotted line, I know it's where a trend originates from. Because that's what an inverted backside level means. It's where trend originates from if it's been tested twice. Then I'll go down in time frames again into that candle. See, there's the level right there. That one kind of held it up. So if we're laddering the move on lower time frames, something bounced off that. So we'll just put it there. It was tested, can't hold, it's breaking below. So I could just move it over here now, label it as an inverted front side, mark it red for the daily, put it on this current interval and below. And we can go down to the 4-hour time frame to find the range. So that was a swing low. The range, if it does come back up, it'll come up to here. Inverted backside, because that's the inverted backside candle. This is the inverted front side candle. In a range of 3, here's the first inverted backside candle. We can see that it held that candle down. the last candle in the range is the inverted front side candle. It held that part down. So this one, it's an inverted backside candle on the 4-hour time frame. For me, that's orange. Price is below the level, so we're going to mark it as a dashed support line, meaning untested, not a support, resistance for an inverted backside level. Dotted means it's untested, primed for resistance. So price, if it's going to keep going down, it's going to go down from here. But we got to find out what it's going to test. So let's go back up to the daily time frame and look over here. Boom. See this distribution range? The last distribution candle in the range is the front side. We're on a 4-hour time frame, so orange for me. Price is above this level, so we're going to mark it as dashed for untested support. And let's go over and see if that's where price will meet soon. And just real quick again on this one, backside level. Let's just see if that really did test. Orange for 4-hour. We'll just leave it as dotted. Make sure it's straight. And we'll mark the front side up here. Oh, whoops. Inverted backside, 4-hour support. 4-hour. Let's go down in time frames. So we can see here's that range. Pop straight up. We could mark this inverted front side candle now in yellow for the hourly. Price is below it, so it's untested. See how it fell down there? That should be a resistance as well, but we've got the black line there for the yearly. A yearly level that price is falling below, the daily on top. Probably just going to keep going lower. Probably going to need to find a monthly level in here with a weekly to back it up. So if we go down, we'll see that price kind of did that between those two levels. Good areas to buy. Anyways, I'll post this chart and we'll look at it tomorrow. Publish. If you're doing this and just practicing, you can publish the idea. This is called MarketMeta. And I'll just write this: MarketMeta is your explanation of the market. Using the science of trading. Four candles that create 6 levels, which tell a story that you articulate in hopefully 350 words or less. Or if you're on the charts, 10 lines or less. That's pro status. Alright, there it is. We'll post it tomorrow. Let's see what I'm at. Oh, look, 10 drawings right there. Pro status.